Hi everyone. Today we are going to watercolor a beautiful scarecrow for Halloween. My name is Norma Corrado, and that is what we are going to do now. To watercolor this drawing, I will use the watercolor Sonnet by Nevskaya Palitra. I have already done a review of this watercolor here on the channel. I will leave the link in the description for anyone who wants to know more about this watercolor. I started with the straw hat with a very light shade of raw sienna. The line drawing of the scarecrow is available for free download on my blogger. The link is in the video description. The colors used are also in the video description. The same color was used on the scarecrow's face. I left an area a little lighter to work on light and shadow later. Let's go to the shirt with the color red light. We start with a very light shade. I apply the red again a little stronger in the areas where I want it darker. To create the shadows on the shirt, I mixed a little green with the red color. I initially painted the pants with olive green, a light shade. I go back to the areas that are already drier and highlight the edges of the drawing. I take advantage and add another layer of paint where I want to darken. Whenever I want an area that I have already painted lighter, I remove some of the paint with the clean brush itself. For the details on the pants, I mixed a little raw sienna with olive green. On the vest, I will use the colors Cerulian blue and do the details with Azure. On the hands, we will use raw sienna with a little burnt umber. The same mixture was used on the shoes. On the wooden trunk, I used raw sienna and then burnt umber. I painted the hair with Hanza yellow and the details with raw sienna. I added a pale orange tone to the cheeks. The nose was an attempt to make a carrot, so I used orange. On the sole of the shoe I used Paynes gray. In the white areas I used gray to make only shadows. Deep green, sap green and yellow green were used for the leaves and flowers. On the parrot we will make a gradient of yellow-green, sap green and deep green. Let your imagination run wild and paint whatever you want. To finish it off, I used a white pen and black ink to make some details. Tell me in the comments, did you like this drawing? What did you think? Subscribe to the channel, leave a like and buy my book on Amazon. Link in the description. Thank you.